Hey guys, today is finally the day. We've been doing a lot of meticulous work on the Evo 3 and it's finally time to street tune it. We're not gonna dyno tune it quite yet. We're ready to get this thing ripping. Full disclosure, Force Performance helped us out with getting a 68 HTA. We were sent a fuel system, full PTFE lines from Motorworks. Car's prepped to run high ethanol content. We got new injectors. We got an aeromotive fuel rail on it. And we also just custom made a full custom downpipe back Mishimoto piping to an HKS Carbon TI, which is really cool. I actually haven't seen it yet. I'm filming kind of backward. That's what I usually do. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave some comments.
I love seeing memes.
I love hearing from you guys. It's been it's been outstanding. So Ethan here. Oh, hold on. Sorry, dude. I got this gimbal. And it's out of control. I don't know how to use it, but we got Ethan here from Trackstar. He is gonna end up getting a tune. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do today. Do you want to try and just go to the gas station, get some basic ethanol, just get a good street tune right now?
We can do it either way. I mean, you're gonna be running the car on street ethanol, you know.
Probably, yeah.
Mainly.
But I'd like to, you know, get a nice, beautiful number.
On the dyno, when we do that, then we'll do the ignite. But yeah, I think we'll put a little bit in right now to get to the gas station.
Cool.
Because I'd rather tune on what you're really gonna be driving.
That's true. I'm gonna be driving this thing around a lot, and it wouldn't make much sense to be using Ignite for a daily car. Full disclosure as well, I have no relationship with Ignite. There's just a very good product, so I do pay full price for it. And this E90 comes out to about $8 a gallon. So I don't know if you're very good at math, but that's a lot of money for a gas tank for a car you drive around a lot. So anyways, we've got to, actually let me show them this spark plug. I've never seen this crap before in my life. We have NGK Iridium 9s coming, but they didn't have them in stock today. But look at this, I've never seen a spark plug before. Straps, what do you call those? Straps?
Straps, yeah.
Straps, yeah, something like that. Anyways, weird. The only thing I can potentially see as problematic is these old intercooler. Like back in the day, it was cool, it was braided intercooler, you know, piping lines. I'm hoping that, you know, 30 PSI won't crush one and completely open it up. So we'll see, guys. There we go. She's alive! Okay, so now we've set base timing. We've got that figured out. We just filled it up with a little bit of ethanol. It's gonna be its first start on E. We're gonna go to the station, grab some ethanol for a street tune, and have some fun. First start on E, baby. There we go. Here we go, HKS Carbon TI. Woo! Right now it is on, it's on pure like ethanol basically, like E90, so it's not gonna rev a bunch, but it looks fantastic. It's such a perfect fit for an old JDM car. I love the angle. This looks killer. It's so much better than that stock exhaust. We were rocking that stocky too long. Now it's gonna look good, sound good. I need to get a little carbon bezel thingy to not burn the bumper, but this thing is money. Just filled up with our first E85 for the Evo, and it's a great feeling. So this is funny. This USPS driver right there, it's, you know, right-hand drive as well, but he actually is from Puerto Rico, and he's like, dude, my friend has a Mirage Coupe, and he showed me, he loved the Evo. He's like, I've seen these all the time in Puerto Rico. It's really rare that somebody actually knows what this car is, so that's pretty sick.
Good to drive.
Let's go. Like make these a little more fashionable. GoPro, I got $1 million idea for you. Make a fashionable head strap.
I wanted, did you see the Google Glass back in the day? Google had like,
and then it just fell off.
I really thought they were gonna come up with something awesome, and I was gonna wear glasses all day and just like stream everything.
Hey, the only thing we leaked was water from the condenser. Look at that. I like it. So beans, no beans, what are we doing here?
Maybe a little bit of caution at first since I've revised so much right now.
Warm up the beans first.
Yeah.
Like 50% throttle. Wow, that feels great.
Definitely feeling better to me.
Wow, dude. The sounds. This car makes some amazing sounds. I hope the GoPro captures it well enough. Usually it doesn't. I should probably invest in a mic, but I don't have one. Dude, just like a little bit of...
There's a multiplicity of sounds. It's like
yeah. Damn, that's good.
We're like looking really good on the
Cool.
AMR. I think you can dig in deeper than you had been earlier.
So definitely hitting the wall, yeah.
Ridge break up there, but
all right, let's go to the cool roads. Oh, that's a cop. I'm gonna slow down a little bit.
I mean, your car's real low key. Surely he didn't notice.
Yeah. So 19 PSI boost cut. Are we hitting anywhere around that right now?
No.
Okay. Dang, so we're not even... So how much, you said it does link into the factory boost solenoid or boost controller. Are you able to up it pretty easily on here? Like, are you able to...
It seems like it, yeah. I mean,
okay.
I haven't tried yet, but...
Let's hit 30. I can do a second gear pull for you.
Go ahead.
Full 100% throttle?
Yeah.
I mean, that's still considerably faster than it was stock,
okay,
so
good.
That's feeling good. I'd like to, be a little more sucked back in my seat.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, the ignition timing right now is gentle.
Okay.
And the mixture is obviously it's hitting 10.0, so it's
cool. So you can lean it out.
Still too rich. Yeah.
Sweet. Ooh, that's nice. That's getting quick. That's getting quick.
We're done with the 10.0s now. So
okay, cool.
The feeling is getting you to be in the ballpark. Dude.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Ooh, that's good. Wow, this turbo is spooly, dude. That's 100% throttle too. Damn, this thing is quick, dude. I feel like this could, right now, where we are, could probably keep up with the stock 5.0.
Yeah.
For sure. So this car weighs 2,600 pounds. So as long as we're making over like 400, the power to weight ratio is going to be well over a tuned mild bolt-on 5.0 or full bolt-on even. Damn.
Nothing wrong with that, man.
That's good,
Nothing
dude. This
wrong
thing
with
is
that.
so fun to drive, it's nuts. Oh man. You good over there?
Yeah, I'm great.
Okay.
I'm enjoying it. I don't get to hit any turns really ever, you know?
Yeah, it's fun. Look at these legends. Look at these freaking legends together. All right, so we're making some jam right now. We're only at 15 PSI and we had to come back. Ethan wanted to mess and see how we integrated with the factory boost controller in it. I guess he figured it out just now, so we're gonna get back in, but the car's already fast. This is the most fun I've ever had at this power, and we're not even done yet. Come here, Scat Pack, let's play. No boost added?
No.
I mean, this feels really good though for like almost no boost, and like,
Yeah,
this is nuts.
You could stack 10 pounds.
Yeah,
easily on
yeah,
what
exactly.
we're at right
So
now.
we're halfway there. Kind of worried this car might actually be too fast when it's done, but yeah, this is good. This feels like a nice like 350, 375 or so. All right, I don't have my stabilizer right now, but we went ahead and put a manual boost controller on. We did actually do a little bit of research, and we do need a max 3-port boost controller, which we will probably, we might even just keep a manual. One thing to note is my friend Alex from Evolution Plus is like the early 123 Evo guy, and these DSM or these early 7-bolt, they call it 7-bolt? These engines, you need to have a really conservative timing, I guess, to limit torque, because these will blow up at about 350, 400 wheel torque. So we can make power and we can make the turbo spool later on, so we might have to get pretty specific. But I'd be super happy if we got back out on the road, we made another like 5 PSI or so, and then it was cool until we did like the full E90 tune. This, you gotta remember, this is on stock airbox, stock everything, stock motor, stock intercooler piping. So let's see what she does. Hello?
Yeah, I'm good for it. Yeah, we got a little bit.
Dude, this thing's zooming. How much more boost was that?
That was barely, but it was.
So we're basically at a full bar. Oh, hey!
Like, how could anybody enjoy that? How could you?
What do you mean, dude? That's sick. Some good tuning music for you right there. You find some classic.
It's not bad. Yeah.
All right. So let me make a few adjustments right here. That pulls nicely. Wow, dude. That's quick.
I'll still only like not even 16 pounds.
Dude.
I'll give it a little bit more of a twist this time.
I'm about to make the boost go up, guys. Definitely not Ethan, it's me. I'm doing it myself here. It's good.
Looks good. It got a little bit more, not as much as I thought it would have got for that.
Really? That scare you?
Nah, not quite. That's kind of a very JDM horn.
Okay, I can feel it getting a little more. Oh, we hit a little wall. There we go.
I'm not sure what that was.
Fuel, maybe? So what we might be running into right now is spark blowout, or just like spark cut. We might have maximized what these can do. These are Iridium or NGK 7s. We need 9s. I've got Iridium 9s that aren't quite here yet. I wish I had them, but we're gonna lower the boost, get it phenomenal and perfect where it's at, and then wait till the dyno. This car already feels faster than I mean, a lot of cars I've driven. This thing is fast. All right, before I fix everything, Ethan's not a believer in Subarus, so I really want you to feel this, because this thing is like, I think you're gonna be surprised that it's as quick as it is. I don't know, maybe it's really slow after what we've been doing in the, listen, ready? You ready to hear the most Subaru sound ever?
Yeah, let's hear it.
It sounds good. They made this car and they were like, we have to make all Subarus sound like this.
So they had this factory water spray, but like, how did you know you needed to do that?
I don't.
You know? You just
it's
like randomly
it's
like
just race car,
press the button?
I don't know.
Yeah, it feels effortlessly sticky.
It's fun, man. This car's awesome. All right, here we go. Yeah, dude, that's with no boost control.
Too, yeah.
That's stock exhaust manifold, stock downpipe, no boost controller. That's stock. There we go. Well, we came back into the garage to this. So I think a heater core line busted. So that's fun. We'll fix that. And sheesh, dude. So because of spark plugs, we had to cut it a little short. Doing new spark plugs should wake this thing up a little bit, but we're gonna calm a little bit until we actually do the dyno day. I just recently, today actually, a friend of mine that came up with a AMG GTR Pro, he had PTG turbos on his car, and allegedly it makes like 700, 750, and I'm gonna be honest, this car actually feels spoolier and potentially faster. My butt dyno really doesn't work that well under like 400, 450, 500 horsepower anymore. It's kind of numb. It's like, yeah, I can tell you how much power you're making if it's like 800 at this point, but if you guys have a DSM even, this is a perfect upgrade for a GSX, an Eclipse GSX. Perfect upgrade for an Evo 3. It is a lot of work, and you should definitely run ethanol or meth injection, whatever it is. Some alcohol will help these cars. We also have to be careful because these cars like to throw rods. We're approaching that territory, but right now I could be full throttle in 4th gear and this thing will absolutely rip. We are actually Drew's actually about to start making me, I've actually been practicing my TIG welds. Don't disregard the beady ones. These are some of my good ones. Anyways, we're gonna end up making some more intercooler piping just so that we don't risk wasting a bunch of time tuning it to have a boost leak, and then I think he's gonna end up making me a titanium intake, and that's gonna make the turbo sounds even crazier. That's what I was getting at. The turbo sounds are crazy. It's just an amazing car to drive at this point, so, oh crap. Just realized the next reveal car is right next to me, and I probably might have shown it in one of these clips. Hopefully I didn't. I'll have to blur it out. But that's coming this week because I need Jaren's help. This is Jaren's last week of work for us, and I need her help. This car needs Jesus. We're also looking into doing possibly a small turbo upgrade on this car, but I have it up there to look at the exhaust manifold and to get some exhaust stuff done. So that'd be kind of nice. It's quiet right now. It's got 2 cats, maybe just 1, but whew, too quiet, too quiet. Every video I make, I have daily advice for you guys. And today, I actually been going through the bank. I have some stuff written down, including like the last video. Let's see. This is a deep one, and I need, think inwardly here and ask yourself, like, is this something you need to hear today? Before you analyze and try and fix others and other issues, analyze yourself first. A lot of people redirect their energy because there's no fixing themselves. They try and fix the world. They try and fix other people's problems. They turn to politics. They turn to whatever it is. Before you start criticizing somebody else and what they're doing with their life today, look inwardly and think, am I really a perfect person? Am I the best? And a lot of people do think that they're perfect, but if you think you're perfect, you're probably the most appropriate candidate for self-evaluation. Look in the mirror before you judge other people. Other people live different lives than you, and that's okay. We all have our own problems. We all got stuff we need to fix. So don't redirect your own problems onto somebody else because you don't know how to fix yourself. You guys have an amazing day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace. Hey, I got 2 videos, and next video is gonna be a new car reveal. That's all I have to say. Make sure you subscribe, turn notifications on, and most importantly, have a good